Welcome to the IT Free Training video on configuring a claims provider trust in Active Directory Federation services. In this video, I will look at how to configure the claims provider trust in the high-cost training domain. In a previous video, I looked at how to create a relying party trust. Creating the claims provider trust will complete the trust relationship between the two servers. I will change to my Windows Server 2008 R2 computer and look at how to create the Claims Provider Trust. Active Directory Federation Services, or ADFS, was already installed in a previous video. To configure a Claims Provider Trust, I need to select ADFS 2.0 Management from Administrative Tools under the Start menu. Once open, I will expand down to Claims Provider Trust, right-click it, and select the option Add Claims Provider Trust to start the wizard. Once I'm past the welcome screen, on the next screen I need to enter in the source of the data for the trust. In this case, I will enter in the fully qualified computer name of the ITFreeTraining ADFS server. In order for this to be resolved, I have already created conditional forwarders on the DNS servers in the high-cost training domain. Once I press Next, the server will be contacted and the data downloaded. You can see that there is a lot of information that was imported that will be used to create the trust. Some of this information was obtained from the other server, and other information was obtained from the local server. When I press Next, the trust will be created. Notice the tick box. Open the Edit Claims dialog for this Claims Provider Trust when the wizard closes. If this option is left ticked, when I press Close, the Edit Claims Rules dialog will be opened. Notice that there is only one rule in the Claims Provider Trust, unlike the Relying Party Trust, which has 3. To add a new rule, press the button at the bottom, Add Rule. This rule essentially determines what sort of claims will be expected by this server. First, I need to select a template to use. After I select the pull-down, I will select the template, Pass Through or Filter an Incoming Claim. This will allow me to take the claim presented to the server and filter out the information that I want. Once I press Next, on the next screen, I will be able to configure some more settings for the rule. First, I will enter in the name of the rule. Next, I need to set what type of claim I am expecting. To do this, I will select Incoming Claim Type, and then I will select the option Group from the pull-down. Next, I need to determine what will happen to the values in the claim. To do this, I will select the option Pass Through Only Specific Claim Value. There are also other options available, for example, allowing all the values to go through, or looking for an email suffix. Now that all the settings have been entered in, I can press Finish to create the rule. That's it. The Claims Provider Trust has been configured. Now, IT Free Training can create claims and present them to high-cost training. I hope you found this video useful. For other free videos, please see our website or YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.